I am a product of an extreme society.
I decided to use my life as a form of entertainment to get people to critically think about the issues of our time.
Robin Greenfield's doing what sounds like the impossible.
To spend an entire year living off the land.
He has dumpster dined from at least 500 bins.
A man on a grueling journey to protect Mother Earth.
And is now in the midst of what he calls an experiment in non-ownership.
I have I think around $240. This safety net will be gone. That's more nerve-wracking than it is exciting. Everything I own is right here with me, actually. I'm gonna get rid of every single thing. The corporations, the government, the last thing they want for us is to be the master of our own mind, and that's all I'm talking about. If you wanna think I'm crazy, think I'm crazy.
In order to have our comfort in this society, whether it's the earth, other people, or whether it's plants and animals, others are paying for it.
Not that long ago, it was at the core of my desire to become a millionaire. The American dream.
His name is Rob Greenfield.
Rob Greenfield.
Rob Greenfield. Robin Greenfield.
And now I want to own nothing. If any of you have been following me for the last 10 years know that I haven't done this before. I have about 1,500 miles to go